FXPosé.com. Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from SophieLawson.com, and little Penny the piggy's here with us. Head back. She's got a little tail. Cool. She's got a little tail. She hasn't got any feet though. But we're here today to look at this, which is issue 106 of the ImagineFX Magazine for March 2014. So last week we looked at this one, which was a pin-up art special, which was cool. Lots of sexy things in that one. And then this week, well, my favourite so far is actually this one, which was the January 2014 issue. What do I think about the covers? I still think that this one here is my favourite. I like this one. I like the sort of the storyness of it, but I'm not so keen on that character. I love this character though, so I would say January 2014 is still my favourite cover. But let's get into this one. Apparently this is a fantasy book illustration sort of special. So little Penny the piggy's with us, and she's going to help us get in. So what we do on these is we just go through them for the first time and see what happens really. Game box, something to do with video games. That's our little friend Claire. Oh, I'm going to read one of her letters today as well. What have we got in here, look? We've got, looks like a lot of, yeah, fantasy things. Creature with a big nose. Oh, cool. It's Brian Froud's sketchbook. That's going to be brilliant. Here's the videos. We don't look at the videos anymore, but these are what we've got. We've got a spaceship. It's sort of like aliens. This is the FXPosé bit. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Look, she's turning into like a skeleton. That is really weird. I like that. See, I would look into that artist. Alfonso Eliol. Be interesting to see what this artist... Look at that, look. That's mad. We've got like skeletons merged. That's almost like 4D. Like psychedelic-y. She's beautiful. Oh, I love that one. Her hair. Echo the dolphin. Little wizard. I do love these FXPosé bits. That looks a bit like Loic Zimmerman. Oh, this is nice. See, again, another artist to look into, I think. And she's cool. What's this one here, look? This is a portrait of my girlfriend. She's pretty then. Got a very pretty girlfriend. Beautiful artwork. Yeah, brilliant this is. She looks a little bit like Fang from Final Fantasy. Not there, but this bit. Her outfit and stuff. Oh, I like that. Some art may offend. Oh, what a cool shape. Look, that is cool. Some sort of like wolf mixed with a raccoon or something. Or what are they called? Hedgehog. Like a hedgehog wolf. Short and sweet. The never-ending doodle. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, look at this, look. Loopydave, he did the cover. Oh yeah, we've got Mandy. Look, we've got Mandy. My mind's gone blank on the artist. I can't remember. Come on, who's the... Oh, my mind's gone blank. That's Mandy though. What's the... Ah, Dean Eagle. That's it. Dean Eagle. He's got a little figure of Mandy. See if I... Ah, and Scoots. Little Scoots, he's there as well. If I had that, I would treasure that. I'd put it in a glass display box. That is brilliant. So this is his little... Look, he's got lots of shelves up here, look. I like that. And he's got... I like the fact he's got that little thing there. You can actually really see what the outfits are going to look like for his characters. cool. I've always wanted a life-size statue in my room. I've always wanted a Lara Croft, like a life-size Lara Croft. So I'm going to read one of these. Which one shall I read? I want to read this one, Manga Faces. So this is what it said. This is from Katie via email. Katie says, please pass on my compliments and gratitude to Chris Delara. That's it. Chris Delara, that's who I thought did the cover of the last issue. But yeah, this artwork here is actually, this was actually the first piece of artwork. This one here was the first piece of artwork that I added to my inspirational artwork section on the website. Well, it's what got me started. And I found the art. That's how I found the artist Chris Delara. It says, pass on my compliments and gratitude to Chris Delara for a piece on manga style faces in the comic artist special. I've been trying to learn how to draw faces. It may be a little more difficult for me as I'm face blind, it means I can't recognise myself in the mirror, and whenever I look away I can't picture a face. How weird's that? So if they look in the mirror they can't recognise themselves. That's a bit weird, isn't it? It says, but her piece is the first that made sense to me, especially the mapping of the nose. Would you consider publishing a similar map of profile, 3/4 views or male faces? This is what Claire says, our little friend. She says, hello Katie, glad we could help you. Great idea on the workshop. We have a manga edition of ImagineFX on the horizon. Da, da, da. So I'll see if Chris can provide a workshop on painting manga males. Boring. We don't want manga males. We want sexy females. But I like that. See, they do listen. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write a letter. See if I can get one of my letters published. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? I'll read one of my own letters out on one of the future issues. I think that'd be quite. Look, a killer duck. That's quite funny, that is. That little bandana adds so much to that character. Yeah, look, little mouse there. This is the artist Q&A bit. Got a ball with some fabric on it. Little goblin there. That image keeps reminding me of Tekken. I think he was called Hiachi or something on Tekken. He looks a bit like the guy from Tekken he does in that image. Child's Play. It's all about little storybooks, I think, isn't it? Some of the world's most inspiring illustrators have applied their trade in children's books. Cool. But this is all about children's books through the ages. 1911. Oh, what a nice article this is. That's the Cat in the Hat, isn't it? Yay, Winnie the Pooh. Little Winster. That's nice as well, look. Frozen. Oh, hey, that's, yeah, where the royal things are. 1963. I didn't know that come out then. Oh, they didn't go. I feel like they missed a lot out in this one. That's a fun looking article, that is. And look, we've got our friend Brian Froud. Is that how you say that? I don't know how you say that. But this is his sketchbook. How lucky are we to get this? Boing. You almost imagine he should have a big massive Woody there. Look, how funny is that? That one there is pointing towards that, look. That's quite cool. Wonder if they did that on purpose. Psychedelics. Tour books. That's a bit weird. Look, she's got no face. They're hinting at the character for those shapes. I like that one. compose a cover with a narrative. Yeah, that's what I said. That cover is full of story. There's a lot of story in that. So they definitely succeeded. Oh, cool, look. These are alternative covers. I like that second one. With a storybook. Oh, I like that one as well, the fourth one. See, I would have gone with the fourth one, I think. Only because probably it's got a female character. How cool is that? Illustrating a game card character. She looks real. Critter Creation Masterclass. With Cory. Cory Godbey. Oh, these are nice. Little sketchies. Yeah, I like this one. And this is 11 tips to help you incorporate fantastical creature-centric elements in your work. I enjoy that one. I like it when they do that, when you get sort of half of it not done. Colour your comic artwork. I like this one. Hey, look, they posed for it. How cool is that? Look, they're holding a, I think that's a compact disc they're holding. So they created a little device out of a compact disc. That's brilliant, that is. Put yourself into the character. Brilliant. So I prefer the sketches. Yay! The next week we've got manga art skills. Can't wait to see what the cover looks like. Genzo Man, he's cool as well. Oh, that's a bit weird. Not sure I like the feeling of these characters. They're a bit sort of creepy. Make mischief on an infinite canvas. Hey, it's him. I like him. Little Nick Harris. He comes across to me as a bit of a bonkers person. I'm not sure I like these because they sort of scare me a bit. Yeah, really like creepy. Very creepy. Oh, I like it when it's zoomed out. I'm getting a hint of sort of paedophiles for some reason. These guys in the background. I'm not liking the vibe of that. Sketchbooks. Here's our reviews. The Jot Script Evernote edition. Interesting. Surface pen. Fuji. How much is that, I wonder? £345. Spectrum 20. The best in contemporary fantastic art. Silver Age of DC Comics. 5 out of 5 that got. Introduction to Digital Painting. That'd be interesting. Is that a DVD? Oh, you got to download it, look. And there's a sample video on the not DVD. One of my favourite bits, the Fantasy Illustrator. Hello. These are my pencils, aren't they? Oh no, they're acrylic. They look like coloured pencils. Oh, I like these. Tom Babby. Especially like that one. Yeah, look. Now that's a life drawing I'd like to go to, where you've got the models dressed up as fantasy creatures. How cool would that be? Little fairies, look. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? I haven't been to life drawing for years, but the ones I used to go to, they were very just nudes. But I've always thought it'd be fun. I always wanted more models wearing clothes, because I thought it'd be fun to watch the shapes of the clothing. Study the clothing. I've seen this one before somewhere. Drawing hands from life, and then we end with our first impressions. Isn't it weird that they end with first? Should be like last impressions. Boing! And that's another one done. What's this one? This was March 2014, issue 106. A fun one, that. Very interesting. Yeah, lots of art that was making me sort of think and feel things, which is nice. I love that article there. So next week we've got a manga special, so next week we'll be looking at this one. Ah, yes. Little creatures inside of the artwork, look, bubbles of life. That'll be next week's. Hope you come back for that, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you later for another one. Hee hee.